Hi guys, thought I'd do something today with Camel Pose. It was something I saw on one of my feeds. It's an advanced Camel Pose variation called Strangled Camel. There are a few comments on this one, people confused as to whether they meant straddled or strangled. I would say definitely by the looks of it and the feel of it when doing it that it's strangled. So if you're going to give this a go, you need to first of all make sure that you are proficient in the standard normal camel pose, not this advanced variation. And if you feel proficient enough to have a go at the advanced version, then have a go. Make sure you are all warmed up, which is obvious, but you do want to concentrate on your hip flexors, your quads, because that's something that people often forget when doing camel. They think it's just a back bend. It's not. You've got to have that flexibility in the front of your quads, your hip flexors, your shoulders as well, and do some gentle back bends to warm up. If you have a yoga wheel, they're good because they stretch out all parts of your back. So just make sure that you've warmed everything up. Low lunges, lizard pose, use one of these, or just do some cobras, extended cobras, shoulders, neck. And obviously if you have any injuries, please don't try this. And if at any point you feel something that doesn't quite feel right, even the slightest little twinge, that's a warning sign to stop. Okay, so I've warmed up. Normal camel pose. So you want your knees to be about hip distance apart. So your hips are going to be stacked over your knees. You don't want your knees splaying out like this. And you don't want your feet splaying out either, so keep the line straight. Obviously untuck the toes. What you have to think about is, a lot of the time with camel pose you see this. What you need is a straight line, so you've got to be thinking push hips forward, chest high, so it's forward. So you can start with your hands in the small of your back, pushing those hips forward, push, 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 and slowly coming back, breathing in, chest rises, so chest is going up, hips are going forward. You can take the head all the way back if you want to. If that doesn't feel good, then don't. And then you can be ready to let the hands catch the heels, push those hips forward, push, 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 grab the heels, chest high. And that is just your normal camel pose. Come into child's pose. Rest it out, nice counter pose. Few breaths. And we're going to try strangled camel. It doesn't sound very nice for the camel, does it? Not sure it's very nice for anyone. Okay, so same thing. Feet, toes are untucked, hips stacked over knees, knees hip distance apart, pushing, hands in the small of the back, gazing forward, push the hips forward. Breathe, you can go slowly, there's no rush. Push, breathe. Another thing you can try, and I'm feeling this now, is a cushion under the knees. I've got a hard floor and the mat's not really very thick, so if you've got knobbly knees like I have, maybe use a cushion under the mat Push, hips forward, coming back, chest high. One hand go. And this is where we get the strangled camel, bringing the other arm up and over, around. We're going to bring this foot up, grab the toes, thread the arm through, take the head back. Come out as daintily as possible. It's quite hard to talk when you're in strangled camel. Come back into child's pose. Child's pose, you can give yourself some space. Extended child's pose, that's my favourite. And that is camel pose and strangled camel pose.